In today's guide, we'll tell you how to unlock screen time on iPhone, iPad, iPod, and Mac. Also, we will show you how to reset or recover screen time passcode easily. Part 2. How to remove screen time passcode if you forgot it. If you forgot iPad or iPhone screen time passcode, you can use iOS Unlock, a third-party tool to remove the passcode easily and quickly. Step 1. Download and install iOS Unlock. Step 2. Select Unlock Screen Time Passcode. Step 3. Remove Screen Time Passcode. Step 4. Turn off Find My iPhone. Step 5. Unlock finished. Part 2. How to reset screen time passcode on iPhone, iPad. Way 1. Reset screen time passcode with Apple ID for iOS 13.4 and later. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. Go to Screen Time. Tap it to enter another window. Select Change Screen Time Passcode at the bottom of the new window, and in the options that pop up, choose whether you want to change the screen time passcode or turn it off. Here, select Change Screen Time Passcode to proceed. You will be asked to enter the old password. Now that you have forgotten it, you can click on the Forgot Password option, enter your Apple ID credentials, then enter your new screen time password. Enter the new password again to verify. Way 2. Reset screen time passcode by using iTunes Restore Data Loss. Open iTunes on your computer. Connect your iPhone or iPad with a USB cable. Click your device icon. Select Restore iPhone, iPad. Click Restore and follow on-screen instructions. Part 3. How to reset screen time passcode on Mac. Turn on your Mac machine. Click the Apple menu in the upper left corner of the screen and select System Preferences from the drop-down list. Select the Screen Time option in the new window that pops up. Click the Options icon of the Screen Time window and select the Change Password option. Click Forgot Your Password. Enter Apple ID and password. Set a new screen time passcode. Verify it.